Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to find the area of the trapezium WXYZ. All the lengths are measured in centimeters. Okay, step 1, I will need to identify the parallel sides. And in this particular trapezium, the perpendicular distance between the parallel lines, which is the height, can be found by extending WX to WT as shown in the diagram. Okay, so the extension is here, and once you extend this out, you will then be able to identify and find the height. In this case, 9. And once you have successfully identified the parallel sides and the height, then we can apply the formula half times the sum of parallel sides times the height to find the area of this trapezium. In this case, half times the 5 plus 11 times 9. You will get 72 cm square. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.